Hey guys, someone had a question about sharing your server, your MediaBrowser 3 server online. And I just kind of wanted to go through some of the steps that need to happen to make you be able to share online. Sorry about the quality. This is the best I got right now. Alright, so first thing you need to do is, well, what I got is, I got a server sitting over there. I just built it, so it's kind of a mess. And I have just a regular old Android HTC Resound phone. So what we're going to try is we're going to put, first thing I'm going to, it's not going to work, we're going to put this over here. First thing we need to do is make sure that the firewall is set up on your server. This is my server right here. So what we need to do is go to search, so we can read this, firewall, and hopefully when you were setting up the program you allowed it to open an exception in the firewall to so that you can share on the internet. It makes it a lot easier, but if you didn't, all you have to do is go on the outbound rules and go down to, and what you're going to do is create a new rule. And basically what the only ports you need to open are 8096 and 8945. But if you let the software do it by itself, what it does is, it's not an inbound, oh, it is an inbound rule. Software, it does it by itself right here. And basically it opens any port that it wants. Under scope ports. It'll open up any ports that it needs for TCP and UDP. And this is the program that it, right here, C:\users, the username, mine is media, application data, roaming, MediaBrowser -server, and I believe it's system, MediaBrowser server application.exe. Okay, so basically you need to open on the server itself, you need to open port 8096 and 8945, but it would have done automatically. Next, what you need to do is make sure that your router has that port open also. I have a, let's see if I can do it over here. I have an ASUS router, and mine is 192.168.1.1. Then of course you'll need your password. Okay, and what I'm looking for on mine, it's basically the same on all of them, but you're looking for your WAN. You're looking for something that says port 40 right there. Actually, first, also what you need to know is you need to know the IP address. It's a good idea to make your IP address for your server a static IP. And the way you do that is you go, I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Go to your network icon in the corner, open new network, and then you want to change adapter settings, and you want to go to your local area connection. I have two different Ethernets here, and I'm just using this one here. Properties, and you want IP4, and I changed mine to 192.168.1.12, and your subnet and your default gateway would be your router, and the same with their DNS. And just okay out of all that, and then you're running, I'm running on 12 right now. So if we go over here to the router, you'll see I got MediaBrowser 3. I have port number 8096 on IP number 12, and same number, and I have both of them open, both TCP and UDP, and I have it again open 8945 on 12 and 8945, and both TCP and UDP are both open. Then you hit apply, your router should restart, and then that part's done. Next, so now you have all your you have your ports forwarded. So when you go to the correct IP address online, those ports are open, and there's a tunnel for the application to get to. All right, so next we need to know what our IP is, and someone mentioned whatismyip.com, but actually if you just go into Google, just type in what is my IP, and it'll actually just tell you right there. I even spelled my wrong. Anyway, what is my IP? And it'll tell you, Google will tell you right there. Okay, so we have my IP. Okay, so we have an IP, we have the port open. Next we're going to go to the phone or any Android device, and we're going to hit so I cleared out my data so that we can start from the beginning here. No media browser libraries can be found. Click on the icon. The name can be anything. Okay. IP address. Okay, I'm going to put this in real quick. This is the IP address, your public IP address. So it's not the one that begins with 192.168. It's going to be, you know, it'll start with 70 or 65 or something like that. But it will not be 192.168. I'm going to enter that now. Okay, the port is already added for it. I'm trying to make it focus. I think it's going to focus on my thumb. But the port is already on there, but it should be 8096. And all I have to do is say OK. And then what it's going to show you, it'll show you the IP address right here. And it'll say the name and the port. Click on that. And magically it shows all your users. Just go into your user, put in your password, okay, put in your password, say OK, and automatically you have all your movies. Alright, so we're going to go something I was watching earlier, and we'll just hit, and mind you, we're on 4G right now. I don't know if you can read that. So we're outside of the network right now. And you hear the server spool up. There we go. Easy peasy. Enjoy.